going to see some small tools like section view or display style. So this is our last created module in SolidWorks. So let's see what is display style. Just open it, and there are 4-5 display styles. The current one is shaded with edge. See, the edges are very clearly looking, so this is called shaded with edge. And the second one is shaded only. So click shaded. See, the edges will not looking perfectly, and it looks shaded. So this is called shaded view. Then there is one view, hidden line removed. See, inside or hidden line you cannot see. This is hidden line option. Then the second last is hidden line visible. See, we have some hole backside, so this hole also looking here, and one hole in center, this is also looking. So this is hidden line option. Then the last one is wireframe. In this, all the lines will be looking like a wire, or it is clear and visible line. So these are the 5 types of style, display style. Normally we are using this style. And now let's see one more thing. There are 3 planes, so we will select section view. What is section view? Let's select. See, here front plane selected. Just select this arrow, drag and drop backside, and this is showing your section view. See, it's showing the hole in bottom. See, you can change the plane also. Select top plane. Just drag it. See, it's showing the hole up to top. Just take it back and see, it's showing the bottom holes also. The other option is right plane, the same as like front plane. Select OK. Now this is your section view. See, it is half portion showing. Just click on the uncheck section view. Now the full view came. So these are the 2 very important tools in SolidWorks. I hope you enjoyed this video.